Hi guys. So in the previous video we talked about what are variables in Python, and if you don't know, please check out my video. The link will be in the description. So in this video we will be seeing what are commands in Python. So I hope in the last two videos you noticed that I wrote some text in these triple quotes. Okay, like this was the main code that I wrote in previous video, and this didn't show any result in output, like any change in output because of this. So even if I remove this and run this will give me the same output, and even if I have it, then also it will give me the same output. So you can see, so this is actually a multi-line comment. Now let's look at single line comment as well. So if I want to, write a single line comment, what I'll have to do is write a hashtag and then write whatever I want to. So maybe I can describe this line of code using this single line comment. So I'll write this is a variable that stores a string. So this is the main usage of commands, that you can use these commands to describe each line of code if you want to, or maybe write a content and then explain the whole process behind the code in that multi-line comment only. So you can do that as well. And for example, if I have written these two lines of code and this is not here, this single line comment is not here, and I want to write a multi-line comment that describes my whole code. So I can go about it like there is a variable holding a string, and then it is getting printed. So in this way, I am writing a multi-line comment and explaining the whole code. Obviously, in this case, there are only two lines, but in future, like you will be writing hundreds of lines of code. Then what you can do is you can maybe write 10 to 20 lines of code which are interrelated to each other. Then you can describe using a multi-line comment, and some important lines of code can be described using single line comments as well. For example, you are working at a company and then later you leave it. So you will be obviously replaced by some new person, and if he, uses your code and he wants to make some changes. So first of all, he will have to understand the whole code. And if you have written comments for it, and this whole process becomes very easy for him. And similarly, when you leave the company and you join some new company, you will expect the same, that the person who was previously there before you, he has also written comments for the code so that it's very easy for you to indulge in the code and understand the code and accordingly do your job. So that's the whole point behind the comments in programming languages, and not only Python. So these are like present in many programming languages. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like this video, please hit like button, comment if you have any doubt, and also please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want more such basics videos as well as some application based videos in Python. Thanks for watching.